Welcome, we are here at the TTFC dealer's den. So let's take a look at all the cool stuff that you'll see. This also consists of the artist alley. I know my microphone isn't going to pick this up very well. Hopefully you enjoy the archival footage. Ooh, look at those on a Christian YouTube channel.
People we know, but like...
Oh, it's kites. It's the Kite-inator.
It's me!
Whoa.
Hi!
Hi.
There's another one.
It's me!
Are you still taking the video of the forecast?
I might be.
Dealer stand?
It's amazing how many people recognize me the moment I turn on the 360 camera. Isn't that funny?
Okay. Why are you coming?
So we have 3 days worth of paneling. We go until 2 a.m. Friday and Thursday.
Here, looks like we have the artist alley. Or we should set the mic to omnidirectional, but I'll remember that next time. Small dealer stand with a lot of soul.
There's no backstory, no anything.
And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that. I'll see you next con. Let me know what you'd buy if you were here. I'll see you around.